Hey everyone, it's Sam here, and this week I'm going to be doing something a little bit different. So I'm calling this the Made to Surprise. It's a 7-day extravaganza. Every day this week I'm going to release a new video, and it's going to be using my mechanisms, but with all of the different licenses that CraftStash offer. So if you've been following me over on Mixed Up Craft and during my Facebook lives and things like that, I always use them. I love the licenses. We work with so many different companies, and a lot of them go really well with my mechanisms. So we got together and we've planned out this 7-day extravaganza. All of the products available will have a discount on them. There will also be a competition running, so you just need to like the CraftStash YouTube channel, so where you are right now. Give this video a thumbs up as well, and you will then be entered into a draw to win £100 of voucher. So I'll be mentioning that in all of the videos, so if people just catch me over there, then I'll be directing them back here as well. But if you're here, head over to Made to Surprise on YouTube, and you're going to find, like I said, every day this week a different tutorial. So for anybody that doesn't know, these are the kind of things that you're going to see me using. So these are my mechanisms, lovely different dies there, and then these are just some of the licenses. So we've got Shaun the Sheep, we've got the Dawn of the Nugget, is that the one? Dawn of the Nugget, yep, and Magic Roundabout, but there's also some other ones as well that I'm going to be using. So I hope you enjoy the week and all of the projects that I've put together. Do leave a comment below and let me know which one's your favourite, and I'll be sharing them all over on my Facebook page as well. Thank you everybody, and I'll see you all again soon. Bye.